All right, I want to change it up a little bit. So let's look at this particular problem. As x gets big, squaring x gets even bigger. And so I'm simply going to write down that this limit is infinity. And that hopefully is clear to you that this is getting very big as x gets big. How is it changing it up? Well, here you have a limit of infinity at infinity. We've kind of kept those separate, but of course you can have both of them happen at the same time. So similar problem, look at this one with me. X is going to minus infinity. X cubed is going to stay negative and it's going to get large, and so this one is going to just be minus infinity. Very good. That's number 5. Example number 6, x squared minus x. Now, the form here, please realize this. This is important. The form is technically infinity minus infinity, which you know is indeterminate. So anything can happen. Somehow, if you think about it, somehow you expect the x squared to dominate. Whatever this whole function does should be the same as the dominating term x squared, which is going to blow up to infinity. But how do you actually show that? Well, you can factor. So you can write this limit as x goes to infinity of x times x minus 1. And now you realize, oh, as x gets really, really big, this part gets really, really big. And okay, yes, we're subtracting 1, but a really big number minus 1 is still really big. So this is big times big, which is big. And so the answer here is infinity. If you wanted, you could even say infinity, and this is going to infinity. And certainly the form in this case, let's write that down. The form in this case of infinity times infinity, that's always going to actually be infinity. All right, let's do another example together. So here we go. I want to think about this problem. X is going to infinity, and I've got 3 minus x downstairs and x squared plus x upstairs. So what did we say to do last time? We said multiply by the highest power of x downstairs, which is 1. You want to multiply by 1 over that. So 1 over x on the top, 1 over x on the bottom. And I get the limit as x goes to infinity of x plus 1 over 3 over x minus 1. And now watch what happens. As x goes to infinity, this whole top goes to infinity. Do we agree? Something big plus 1 is big. So the top is going to infinity. As x goes to infinity, 3 over x goes to 0. So the form in this case, let's write this in pink. The form in this case is infinity over negative 1. And you can see what's happening. Okay, this is getting arbitrarily large. This is getting closer and closer and closer to negative 1. And so the point is the bottom is negative. So big number made negative. The limit is minus infinity. All right. So I'll end this video by pointing out to you that 0 over 0, infinity over infinity, infinity minus infinity, these are all indeterminate forms. We've talked about those already, but I want to emphasize that again. Whereas if you see a constant over 0, this is going to plus or minus infinity. If you see infinity over a constant, this is going to infinity, plus or minus infinity, if c is positive or negative, right? Things like that. All right, so I will end this here. Great job, and we'll pick it up next time.